Welcome to Sort 19. I'm going to go over the words with you that are on your spelling for this week. We have nail. I am pointing to you with my fingernail, thankfully not my toenail. Shape. This is a rectangle shape. You guys are brave when you work hard and do your best. I might serve you something on a tray for science. It's for you to take off the tray. You raise your hand. In Three Little Pigs, the Three Little Pigs always say, "May I have some sticks?" Sure, help yourself. Trade. You guys might trade an apple for a banana. We have they are very kind. Stand. Stay in your seats, please. Grain, we're going to feed grain to our chickens. And you're going to play at recess. We are on Monday this week. I will provide you with aid, which means I will help you. Here's the color gray. That's the color of my hair. And it could be spelled alternative way of G-R-E-Y. You might see both. Gain, you could gain weight, but you guys are constantly gaining knowledge. The past, we studied about the Loneys who lived in the past. And of course, the Loneys are still around today, but we studied about the way they used to live in the past. Slave, in the past. Sometimes a person might own another person, and that person would be called a slave. Glass, I wear glasses, but we drink from a glass. Taste, I'm going to taste yummy food tonight. Now here's the word pray. I'm drawn on this word to remind myself that it is a homophone. So please go to your spelling notebook at the end of the sort to label what pray means. Pray, I wrote a religious symbol of the cross, and of course I drew a hand. I'm sure your hand will be better and actually look like someone praying, but I drew it this way. The other type of prey would be a lion's prey might be a deer. So an animal that eats other animals, that would be their prey, and that's spelled P-R-E-Y. So please put that in your homophone, in your booklet after. Say, I will say the spelling words for you, and clay, you've used clay in the class. Now I want you to look at these words and just think for a few seconds on what patterns or things you're noticing about these words. I bet that you noticed that they are dealing with the long A sound and the short A sound. If you notice that, you are exactly correct. I'm going to show you what patterns we're going to actually be working with. We have the long A sound, which is indicated by the, oops, let's get this in the screen. We have the long A sound, which we know AI makes. Means like it is our fate that we do well at something. Long A sound, A, right? And in this one, we're going to be doing consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. And here's our example of that. Nail, consonant. Our vowels are A, E, I, O, and U, and sometimes we consider Y one as well. And that's important in this lesson, and I'll explain why in a minute. But long A is made with AI. We also have consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Now we've studied other sorts where E makes the vowel say its name, makes it the long vowel sound. Here we have the long vowel sound. So an example of that would be trade. Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Evil E makes the A say its name. Trade. Here's our very brand new one. The AY makes the long A sound. That is indicated with consonant, vowel, vowel. You also might see it as consonant, vowel because here it is. Consonant, vowel, and like I said, Y is sometimes considered a vowel, so that's why we have it here. But if you just did consonant, vowel, that would be fine for this. And then we have the short vowel sound, ah, indicated by the smile, the curve rather than the straight. Long A, ah. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Here it is. Consonant, vowel, consonant. All right, I want you to think right now, where would shape go? I bet you figured it out that it would be here. This is a pattern we have worked with O's and I's. So I'm going to go ahead and sort all of those into that category here. Do I see any more with vowel? Consonant, vowel, consonant, E. Here we go. Here's taste. That'll work too. There may be some more. We might find them later. All right, now we need the long vowel sound AI. To make the long A sound, we have nail. I'm going to talk to you about this one in a minute. AI, aid. Gain. Let's move these. All right. That. Now we have the short vowel sound A, as in, oops, that one doesn't work. Play goes here. Gray. Past, short vowel A sound A. Pray. Say. Here we go. This one's fallen off the edge. Just barely fits. We'll slide it down just a wee bit here. That, and look at that stand up here. We also have they here. Now let's look at these. First of all, I'm going to slide that one over here for now. We have nail, aid, gain, grain, raise, all AI, consonant E. Oops! This one is different. This one is consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. This one is the same. Vowel, vowel, excuse me, consonant, vowel, vowel, consonant. It also has the E on the end. You could put this one here, or if you would prefer to put this as an oddball, you can, because the important thing is you know that these are AI. But this one is not the evil E making it say its name, it's the AI. Then we have trade, shape, brave, slave, taste, and stay. Oops, nope, stay doesn't go there. We got to put stay over here in this category. Let's see if we have all the A ones. Day, play, gray, pray, say, clay, tray, they, may, and stay. I bet you guys already noticed this one's not correct. You guys are faster than me at this. This would also be considered, the they would be an oddball. Because we're working with how you make the long A sound. However, we're also working on the spelling pattern, and this is E. So it has to be oddball. You could put these two together as oddballs, or just this one. What I need for you to do now is cut out your words and do your sort, and then write them down in your spelling notebook. Good job.